So I just couldn't believe myself when I found this on eBay. Someone had it listed for 50 bucks, no bid, so I went ahead and bid. It's an RO DI unit. It's the Typhoon III. It was used for about a year, but it's got totally new filters that hadn't been used. So the filters alone are about 50-60 bucks. The unit is 200, 300 retail, 200 from Water, Wind and Ice or something like that .com, which is the manufacturer. So I'm going to do a little unboxing here and set it up and hopefully have it running. So really exciting. Let's see what we got. Typhoon III. Get that running, and then we'll
I just wanted to show the setup we got here. It's a Typhoon III Reef Keeper. Got it on eBay for 50 bucks. I was really excited. I was gonna put it under the sink there. That's why we got a mess, but it was too tall. So we made this little stand for it out of 2x4s. Cost us like 8 bucks or something. And they cut it at Lowe's for me for free, I think. Maybe not, I don't know. I don't think they charged me extra. Anyway, I'll show you where we put it.
Okay, so this is the messy kitchen. Just wanted to show the setup here. Here is the wastewater valve. What we did was, it's nice and gross in there. We just drilled some holes, and then they go under the shelving, and then through to here. This is the wastewater, plumbs into there, and then the tap water, if you can see that little brass thing, and then that little white thing goes all the way down here and through and to there. We have a little cabinet that we're going to set in front of that thing. We couldn't find a cabinet that it would fit into, so we're just going to kind of hide it with something in front of it. So we're going to let it run, and we'll test it out, and we'll do a TDS reading and everything. This is our first test run. We're supposed to run it for 3 hours, and that's the water that it's spewing out. That supposedly is RO water, although I think it's still not quite good. So we'll give it a test with the TDS meter, actually. See what we got. So we're at about 19, so it's much cleaner than going down actually. So it's much cleaner than the tap water. The tap water runs at like 250 or something. Well, right now we're reading 165. The other day I got 170. Yeah, you can just dump that. So we'll be back with more again later. Oh shit, so I forgot the finished product. This here is a DI bypass, so it's RO water only. That's going into that holding tank. We just covered it in bags so it doesn't get yucky down there. And then this T-valve plumbs it back out into this. We're just filling the old Brita pitcher right now. We are going to get a little, like one of these spigot type things, but we couldn't get this off and we didn't want to damage it because the house isn't ours, so I'm going to attach it somehow over here. And then this is the actual RO DI valve, which I didn't get enough length of cable for, but I'm going to go ahead and make this longer so that I can, this is all our pots and pans that we had to move out of a cabinet we had here, so I can just walk it over there and then just top off the water like that, so I don't have to walk water jugs over. And then it's a little bit of a pain, I guess, but I'm gonna have to like throw this in a bucket unless I'm doing top offs, because the top offs use such little water, it's not gonna matter. But this is gonna have to get thrown in a bucket, and you know, just let the bucket fill really slowly. It does about 3 to 4 gallons an hour, so you know, 15 minutes will fill a gallon, and then I can salt that up, and if I want to do water changes or anything like that. And I do need to add a check valve so that the pressure doesn't go and pressurize that and blow valves and stuff. So I forgot to get one of those, so we'll be getting one of those tomorrow. But that's pretty much going to be the end of the vid, because yeah, I don't really need, the check valve isn't going to look any much more complete. Maybe once we put the little cabinet back in front of this, I'll do another video just to show you how it looks, you know, kind of in stealth mode.